One of the central promises of Saludo to our customers is that we only work with verified carriers. This increases the overall security for all Saludo customers and at the same time, enhances the reputation of the activated carriers, as they have first undergone the in-depth selection process. Before you can create offers for transport requests, you must first verify your account. To do this, click on Company and then upload all the required company documents here. Make sure your documents contain all the necessary information such as your full company name, stamps, dates, signatures, etc. When you upload a new document, click on Upload Documents to confirm the process. You can upload the documents in different formats: PDF, JPG, or PNG. Please ensure that you provide up-to-date documents and re-upload the EU license and/or insurance policy before it expires. Our carrier management team will review your data within the next 48 hours on working days. If any questions arise, the team will get back to you by email. Please note, documents that you send to our support team by email will not be processed.